We are pleased to show you the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, first aid kit, cargo cover, leather shift knob. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.